Hello, Southeast Singers and Southeast Songbirds. I'm so glad that you have joined our virtual choir experience to sing this piece, Begin, by Matt Carlson. He composed it specifically for virtual choirs, and you can tell he's a teacher because when you look at your music, he puts in some markings that help you know exactly where to put your consonants, the ending letters of the words, and he helps you also count the rests. He puts some numbers in. It's very helpful. So let's begin with some warm-ups first. Can you roll your shoulders back and maybe lead with your elbows, just opening up our chest and our collarbone. Interlace your fingers behind you, but pull your belly button in, shoulder blades together and down. And now round and come forward and pull your belly button in, tuck your chin. Good. Let's go ahead and massage our neck where it meets our shoulders. Massage the side, the scalenes. Get right there behind your ears and right under your earlobe where your jaw, you can feel your jawbone protruding. You can pull your earlobes down and then pull your ears back and up. And then massage that part right where your ears meet your cheeks and your jaw. Good. Do some pulls between your teeth. Mush, mush, mush your cheeks. Good. And take your little thumb and put it under your chin and see if you can get your tongue muscle to relax and be a little bit more squishy. Mine needs a little work. Good. Can you make a surprise face? And a sour face like you bit into a lemon? Surprise. Sour. Surprise. And sour. Good. Roll those shoulders back again. Nice job. Give one more massage to your cheeks, anywhere where you feel tension, underneath your cheekbones, around your sinuses, maybe more on your bottom teeth. Good. We want a nice relaxed neck and jaw for when we sing. Now let's work on our breath. So you want to breathe deep into your belly. So take a deep breath in and we're going to hiss out for, how about 12 counts? Let's breathe in for 4 and hiss for 12. So don't hiss all your air out at once. Go slow, like you were drinking a smoothie with a straw and the liquid was slowly going down. So same with your air, okay? But you need a full tank of air. So big inhale, here we go. And hiss. Good. Let's do that again. We'll breathe in for 4. Relax your belly. Feel your belly expand. Maybe your pants get tighter. Feel your low back expand. Keep your chest down. We'll breathe in for 4. We'll hiss out this time for 16. Ready? Here we go. Good. While you're hissing, you might feel that strong muscle pulling your belly button back towards your spine as you exhale all of the air out. So when you breathe in, you're filling up the balloon, which is your lungs. When you exhale, the balloon is shrinking down. Okay? Let's do some consonants. There's a lot of great consonants in this song called Begin. I'll go first. You be my echo. D, d, f, f, f. P, 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 ch, ch, ch. All right, now let's do a little bit of a warm-up. We're going to start by getting our voice forward into our nose a little bit. We're going to sound like my cat, Mirabelle. Meow, 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 meow. 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 One more. Meow, 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 meow. Now we're going to go and open it up now that we've moved our voice a little bit more forward into our mask. Not this kind of mask that we wear out in public, but your mask here, your eyebrows and your sinuses, so your voice comes up into your forehead. Now we're going to open it up a little bit with some beautiful air, and nice tall vowels. We're going to do this one. C, ah. So the solfege notes are just so, mi, do, so, fa, mi, re, do. But you're going to use an S and say C, and then ah, right down the scale. And we'll go up each time, okay? Take a deep breath before you start each one. Here we go. C, ah, C, ah, C, ah, C, Good. Now we're going to get our consonants going, our lips, our teeth, and our tongue with some diction. In this warm-up, you're going to go up the scale in duple meter. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. When you come down, you're going to come down in triple meter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to pick a consonant. How about hard C? Because we have a lot of hard C's in this song Begin. Can't control what's on repeat. Can't control. K, k, k. So we'll go like this. Ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. Ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. So let's go over those vowels. Say ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. 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 You'll get it. Ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. 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 Now let's use the consonant, the letter D. Days keep turning into weeks. Defeat. You have a lot of D's in the song Begin. So it's going to be D-day, da, do, do. D-day, da, do, do. And we'll go right up the scale and then back down again. D-day, da, do, do. 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 Great, we'll do one more, which is with the letter T. Ti, te, ta, to, tu. 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 Good. All right, I'm going to get a little water. Even though it's winter, we think of drinking a lot of water in the summer. We actually need to drink even more water in the winter. There's not a lot of moisture in the air in the winter, and so much hot air being blown at us to keep our houses and our schools and our cars warm. So you want to drink a lot of water, especially when you're singing a lot. So now we're just going to learn the first page of Begin today. We all sing it in unison. After that, we're going to split into alto, which is the lower part, and soprano, the higher part. And so I want to get you ready for the melody. And you know Miss Smallage loves solfege. So this is going to be our scale right here. You can sing it with me. Now I want to teach you the melody of begin using solfege. It's very beautiful. Here's the first one. Re, mi, mi, do, fa, mi, mi. I'll sing it again. Re, mi, mi, do, fa, mi, mi. I love that Mr. Carlson starts the piece on a re. I love when he goes do, fa. So beautiful. Let's try it together. Ready? Re, mi, mi, do, fa, mi, mi. One more time for good luck. Re, mi, mi, do, fa, mi, mi. Good job. Here's the next part. Re, mi, 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 do, re, do, do. That one's easy. It just uses 3 different notes, but in different order. Re, mi, 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 do, re, do, do. Can you try? Re, mi, 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 do, re, do, do. Let's see if we can put the first one together with the second one. All right, I'll help you. Ready? Re, mi, mi, do, fa, mi, mi. Re, mi, 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 do, re, do, do. Good job. Here comes the next part. It starts up on do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. I'll go first. La, 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 sol, la, sol, mi. That's easy. Let's try it together. Ready? Oh, the lights turned off. Hello, I'm still here. Hello, hello, I'm still here. There we go. Here we go. Starting on la, 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 sol, la, sol, mi. Good. Try that one more time. La, 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 sol, la, sol, mi. You're doing great. Here's the last one. Re, 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 mi, re, do, do. So easy. He loves a lot of re. Ready? Re, 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 mi, re, do, do. Let's see if we can put the la and the re one together. Here we go. La, 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 sol, la, sol, mi. Re, 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 mi, re, do, do. Let's see if we can put all 4 patterns together. Don't worry, this is going to really help you when you look at your music. Here we go. Re, mi, mi, do, fa, mi, mi. Re, mi, 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 do, re, do, do. La, 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 sol, la, sol, mi. Re, 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 mi, re, do, do. Okay, take out the first page of your music. Now, it doesn't matter if I've given you the alto part or the soprano part. This is unison, so we all sing the same thing together, okay? Good. I'll sing first, you be my echo. Ready? Days keep turning into weeks. You try. Days keep turning into weeks. See how you put the KS in a little box with a star? That means he wants you to put the weeks, the KS sound on beat 2. Days keep turning into weeks. At the end and the next beat. It's a really cool thing that singers do. All right, here's the next part. Everyone's found their own retreat. He does the same thing with the letter T. He wants you to wait till beat 2 to put the T on. Let's try it. Everyone's found their own retreat. Good job. Let's try putting those together. Days keep turning into weeks. Everyone's found their own retreat. Here we go. Days keep turning into weeks. Good job. And in between those is always 3 beats of silence. So you might feel, days keep turning into weeks. Everyone's found their own retreat. By the time you put the letter on, it's kind of more like 2 beats of silence, but I'll help you with that when I'm conducting it, okay? Here comes our la part. Listen. Can't control what's on repeat. Ready, you try. Can't control what's on repeat. Here's the last part. Can't help but to feel defeat. Ready, you try. Can't help but to feel defeat. This song has a little bit of a sad start to it. Mr. Carlson was feeling pretty sad with all the events that were happening this summer. And so he was expressing it in this piece. But as we move forward, we're going to move into a feeling more of hope for the future. Can we put it all together? Ready, here we go. Days keep turning into weeks. Everyone's found their own retreat. Can't control what's on repeat. Can't help but to feel defeat. Did you notice that the notes we're singing match perfectly with what we warmed up with the solfege? Re, mi, do, fa, mi. Re, mi, do, re, do. La, mi. Re, mi, re, do. Great. So now let's try it one more time, and I'll play just a little bit of piano. Eventually, Mr. Carlson, he made us a piano track, and I'll sing along with that, and I'll share that with you too. Okay? There's your first note. Days keep turning into weeks. Everyone's found their own retreat. Can't control what's on repeat. Can't help but to feel defeat. Good job. All right, so I'll make a separate video for the next page because some people are going to go up high. How many bends till we're going to catch a break? And some people are going to go low. How many bends till we're going to catch a break? And it's going to sound beautiful in 2-part harmony. Okay, you can watch this video again and again if you want to practice your warm-ups and practice that part of the song. And keep listening to the video of Begin by the Children's Choir of Gettysburg too. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.